Here you can see the objectives on the screen, types of data transfer, types of IDOC, and what are the configuration steps will be involved from outbound side and inbound side. Data transfer, there are three types of data transfer. You can transfer the data from sender to receiver. Those are master data, transactional data, and custom fields data, meaning customization data. Next, what are the types of IDOC are there? There are three types of is there. One is standard IDOC, one is customization IDOC, and another one is the extension IDOC. Standard IDOC nothing but SAP has provided all the message type and IDOC type, segment type, all the scenarios SAP completely has provided. You can use which type of data you are going to transfer from sender to receiver. Suppose if you are taking as an example, you are going to transferring as a material master data from sender to receiver. SAP has given what is the message type you should be used, what is the IDOC type, that is nothing but basic type. Okay, you can use the latest version of the IDOC type for your message type. You can use it, and the SAP has provided the each segment with respect to the field. What are the fields data you are going to transferring? Every information as provided. Extension IDOC nothing but if you want to transfer the standard plus customization field, meaning if you done the enhancement with customization field in the standard application, the standard fields data plus customization fields data, if you want to transfer, then at the time you can use the extension IDOC. The last one is a custom IDOC nothing but SAP has provided the standard object like segment, IDOC type, message type, and outbound program, inbound program, everything was provided. In case if you have created any custom transaction, any custom application if you have developed, for that application data, if you want to transfer from SAP to SAP or SAP to non-SAP, at that time you can use the custom IDOC. If you want to transfer purely customization table data, custom application data, if you want to transfer from sender to receiver, at that time you can use the custom IDOC. And what are the standard message type and basic type will be involved? These are the message type. Transaction code is W81. Per material, if you are going to sending a material master data, these are the message type matmas. And for this message type is a basic type, that is the matmas 05. And cremas, this is the vendor master data. And for this is the message type was given by SAP. For this message type, you are going to use in the basic type is a cremas 06. This is the latest basic type. And debmas nothing but a customer master data. For this message type, customer master, if you want to transfer the customer master data, this is the message type you should be used. For this message type has a basic type or IDOC type. This is the debmas 07. And order nothing but a purchase order. This is the transaction data. The matmas, cremas, debmas nothing but a master data related. And orders nothing but a transaction data. This is the purchase order. For this purchase order, the basic type is a orders 05. Now you can see here again order SP. This is the sales order related. If you are going to transfer the sales order data from sender to receiver, then you can use this message type. For this message type, this is the basic type, orders 05. And Cosmos, this is the cost center related. Okay, for this message type, you can use the basic type is a Cosmos 01. This is the basic type is there. What are the steps will be involved? Here I have written the detailed information. Step number 1, you should be create a different logical system. The transaction code is SCALE. The sender side you can maintain. The sender system side you should be maintain, and the both logical system sender side. Okay, this is the name of the sender system name, and this is the name of the receiver system name. Okay, these two steps you should be maintained in the sender system level. That one we can call as a outbound. And this system, the logical system, what are the logical systems you have created with respect to client? What are the clients you are going to use it? This is my sender system. 800 client is a. Here what I mean to say here, I have here 2 clients within one server. I want to transfer from sender to receiver. Then I will define a logical system. This is the logical system ZLS underscore 800 underscore sender and ZLR 800 underscore RE. These 2 systems I will maintain the sender system only. And this is the 800 is my sender system, 810 is my receiver system. Okay, the same transaction code I'm using assign a logical system to client. These are the logical systems I have created in the sender system. Okay, with respect to what is the sender system, what is the client, and what is the receiver system, what is the client you are going to using. Okay, those systems you can assign with respect to your client. Next, step number third, create a destination, that is RFC destination. This is the from sender side. In sender system, you can enter the receiver system name. You can enter the receiver system name. And you can create a step number 4, create a port, that is a RFC port, that is a transaction code W21. You can create a port, the port number you can enter here. This is my port name, port number name. Okay, here there are two options are there. One is if you want to create your own port, you can enter the own port name, or you can enter the system will be generated. Okay, you can use the both. Okay, which one you want, you can use it. Next, if you want to create a partner profile, this partner profile will be involved the sender side as well as the receiver side. Okay, the sender side you can maintain the receiver system information, and the receiver system side you can maintain the sender system name. And message type. Okay, what is the which type of data you are going to transferring? Suppose I am going to transferring as a metal mass data, I am using as a message type is a mat mass, and I can use the for this mat mass. For the message type, I can use the IDOC type is a W30 transaction code. This is the latest version of the IDOC type or basic type. Now I will create a model view. This is the very important to distributing the data from sender to receiver. I am going to creating this is a technical name. In the sender system, I am going to create it. Once I created, okay, here I have maintained the sender system, and in the receiver system information I have maintained. Then I am going to creating a material in the sender system. This is my material number name IDOC underscore. This data I am going to sending from sender to receiver. SAP, okay, that one also has given the on outbound program. Okay, that is the transaction code is BD10. Okay, you can enter the what is the material created, that material you can enter and you can execute that program. Once you execute that program, the material based on the material it will be created. One standard IDOC and one communication IDOC will be created. Okay, that IDOC will be created. The success or failure from the sender side, you can use the transaction code W02 or W05. You can see the same thing, the same transaction code you can run the receiver system. What is the material you have sent from sender to receiver, you can see in the receiver system also. These are the steps will be involved in the sender and receiver. These all are the standard related you are going to use. These are the standard approach you are going to using.